This is the Dime Travel. It's a bladeless mini multi-tool that's safe for use in facilities that maintain a no-knife policy. It contains butterfly opening, spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, spring-loaded scissors, small and medium flat drivers, tweezers, a fine and coarse file, and a bottle opener. The Dime Travel also features a new standout, a zipper hook, which attaches to a broken luggage zipper and opens your suitcase with ease. Pocket this handy keychain multi-tool whenever you're headed out of town. This is the Dime Travel.
Hi, my name is Glenn Klecker. This is my son Nathan.
Hi.
I've been an engineer and designer and inventor for about 14 years now, and I've designed a lot of knives and multi-tools that you might be familiar with. I came up with the idea for the clacks last year. Over the last 6 months, I've been designing, developing, prototyping, and testing out the clacks to end up with the 4 versions that we have here today. The clacks is more than an axe. The clacks is a multi-tool built into the head of an axe. It has a lot of useful features: carabiner, thumb jimping, this is the bottle opener, the axe blade, the scraper, lanyard hole, the hammer with a built-in ruler, 5 wrench sizes, and a hex bit driver. The clacks has a lot of useful features like wrenches, hammerhead, and scraper, along with our innovative new clamping system that allows you to take the axe to the field and be able to break it down for easy transport. The clacks is useful for people who are involved in hiking, climbing, camping, survival experts, people who do bushcraft, all sorts of things, including emergency preparedness.
I'm Mike Peel from Mike Peel Logging, Vernonia, Oregon, and I'm a logger. The clacks, it's a great tool. This morning I used it to wedge over a Douglas fir tree, and it did a good job.
This is the Clacks Lumberjack. It's our most popular model because it includes all of the features. This is the Clacks Woodsman. The Clacks Woodsman has the clamping system, carabiner, hammer, the axe blade, but the more rustic version that we've created is called the Clacks Feller. The Clacks Feller attaches using the paracord bracelet by pulling the paracord out and wrapping it around the handle like you would a tomahawk. This is the Tie Clacks. The Tie Clacks is a titanium version of the Clacks Lumberjack. It is our top-of-the-line model, and it includes all of the features, plus it has blue anodized highlights, and it comes weighing in at half of the weight of the Feller. That's why the Tie Clacks is our top-of-the-line model. We've backed 24 projects on our own already. We're reaching out to you, the Kickstarter community, to see if you'll help us by backing us to get the clacks out there.
Clacks!
Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support.
Clacks, more than an axe.
decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joe.
I'm Chadwick.
We're excited to be back here with our newest project, the Titanium Pocket Tool.
It's a cool multi-tool that combines our favorite tools into one, and it doesn't take hardly any space in your pocket. Thanks for checking it out.